Your AI agent can now set up your monitoring for you. The whole thing, start to finish. Agentic monitoring is UptimeRobot's way of letting an AI agent create a live uptime monitor on your behalf. No account, no dashboard, no API key. Which matters because agents are writing code and shipping apps on their own now. Those apps still need monitoring, but an agent can stop, sign up, verify an email, and click through a dashboard the way you would. This closes that gap. Here is what it is, how it works, and who it's for. What agentic monitoring actually is. Agentic monitoring removes that wall. It lets an AI agent like Claude or a coding assistant that just deployed your app set up a live uptime monitor for you directly. No account creation, no dashboard, no API key to manage. So the mental model is simple. Instead of you setting up monitoring after your app goes live, the agent that built your app sets it up for you. As part of the same flow, monitoring becomes something that just happens automatically when your app ships. How it works. Let me show you what actually happens. I'll have an AI agent set up a monitoring for a URL and walk you through what it's doing. Behind the scenes, there are a few steps, but the important thing is the agent does almost all of them, not you. First, the agent requests a setup challenge from UptimeRobot to prevent abuse because this is a no-account free service. UptimeRobot asks the agent to solve a small computational puzzle, a proof of work. It's the kind of thing that's trivial for a computer to solve, but makes it expensive to spam the system. The agent solves it automatically. Then the agent submits the monitor request, your URL, and the email address where the monitor should be registered. UptimeRobot creates the monitor and sends a confirmation email to that address. And that's the one human step. You get an email, you click to activate, and your monitor is live, checking your side, ready to alert you if it goes down. From your side, the entire thing was tell your AI agent, set up monitoring for this, and click on email. And if you want to trigger this yourself without an agent, there is a browser version of the exact same flow. You visit a quick start link with your URL and email built in. And the page solves the proof of work puzzle automatically in your browser and submits the request for you. Same confirmation email, same result. So whether it's an AI agent setting this up as part of building your app or you're kicking it off directly, it's the same fast, no account path underneath. So whether it's an AI agent setting this up as part of building your app or you kicking it off directly, it's the same fast and no account path underneath. What do you actually get? The monitor the agent sets up is a real free HTTPS uptime monitor. It checks whether your site or service is reachable and it's registered to your email so you get notified if something goes down. It's intentionally simple. If the email you used is already an UptimeRobot account, one gets created for you automatically. So you don't sign up later, you already have an account with monitor sitting in it. Log in whenever you want more. Different monitor types, faster check intervals, team alerts, a status page. Who this is for and why it matters. So, who actually needs this? A few groups. Developers using AI coding tools. If you're building with something like Claude, Cursor, or an AI agent that deploys your app, agentic monitoring means monitoring gets set up as part of that same workflow. You don't ship an app and then realize 3 weeks later you forgot to monitor it. Vibe coders and non-technical builders. If you're building an app with AI tools and you're not a DevOps expert, you might not even know you're supposed to set up monitoring. An AI agent that handles it for you closes that gap. You get professional grade uptime monitoring without knowing the first thing about how monitoring works. AI agents operating autonomously. As agents start deploying and managing services with less and less human involvement, they need to be able to set up their own monitoring programmatically without a human in the loop for every step. Agentic monitoring is built for that world. Your app gets watched from the moment it ships, whether you are the one shipping it or your agent is. If you want to try it, there is a link in the description with the setup details for agents. And if you'd rather set up monitoring the traditional way, our How to Monitor website Uptime video walks through it. A link is in the description too. Thanks for watching and happy monitoring!